Hello guys, Steve here, NRC. I got the KYOSHO Outlaw Rampage, the Pro, and I polished her up with the last coat, getting ready to go out for a run. Somebody requested this, one of my subscribers on the channel, so I'm going to take her out. I have the battery charging right now, so I guess I'll see you at the ball field with this beauty. Alright guys, I'm at the ball field. I have my Radiolink radio in here with the gyro. I'm going to show you how it works. Let's hit it. Alright. This is with the gyro off. You can see it just goes out of control. That's no gyro. Hard to control. And now I'm going to turn up the gyro and just a little bit with the knob on the radio and see the difference. Now I'll give it gas again. See, it almost went in a straight line. It's just took that long to fishtail, but that you can see makes it much easier to drive. Now we'll try that again, and I'll turn it up a little bit more and floor it. We kept her in a straight line, so that's what the gyro does. That's why on these two-wheel drive cars, you can see I can fishtail a nice big smooth arc. The tires are turning by itself right now. I'm not even doing nothing now. If I want to turn the other way, I'll turn it. It drives nice. So with the gyro, it's awesome. That's a little bit too much. I like the drive, so I'm going to turn it down halfway, more than I just had it. And let's hit it. First time I power rolled this beauty. Digging in deep. Whew. This one here has a 20 turn motor in it. I think I want to make it faster. The problem is, if I go in the grass and come here, watch. It'll look pretty quick. It's just slipping the tires all the time. You see now on the straight, it's not that bad. It looks pretty quick. Just when you're in here starting up, giving it gas and stuff like this, the whole time those rear wheels are slipping and it don't get the traction. And that's why it looks so slow, but it actually isn't. It's pretty good. Let's see if we could jump this, if it'll work. Nope. Yeah, I think I want to make this faster. I think the pinion gear might be too small on it. That's the problem. With the motor if it's hot. Where is this motor? No. Motor's ice cold, so I could probably go up a couple teeth on the pinion gear. But the suspension on it's cool. Just wanted to take this out for a run because I flipped her. One of my subscribers asked me if I could run it, so I figured I'd take it out. Constant dust ripping out the back. This one may be a nice one to put a 550 motor in. I think that's what I might do. Digging up the ball field. Then RC's gonna get in trouble. Alright guys, whew. That's it for this beauty. I just wanted to show you. I didn't take this one out in a while. This is a fun truck. The suspension on this thing is sick. It just goes all over the place, up and down, tilts, absorbs everything. It's a cool truck. I had to get it out. I think I may upgrade the motor. I'm not sure. Feels kind of slow, but I don't know if you make it faster, if it'll be too much for this truck. Let me know what you think in the comments, if I should go with a faster motor. Maybe a 550 in this sucker. Just light them rear tires up to oblivion. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. I appreciate it as always. Leave a like and a comment for new watch, and subscribe and hit that bell so you don't miss my future videos. I'm here with the KYOSHO Outlaw Rampage Pro, and we're out of here.